Hello everyone, I'm Professor Masih from BML Munjal University, and I'm very glad to share with you all about my recent innovation, drone for precision agriculture. Now this drone is basically designed to help farmers in identification of weeds. What are weeds? Weeds are any kind of unwanted plants that grow into your field and they start absorbing the nutrient of that plant, as a result of which your main plant or main crop, such as if there is a wheat crop that is growing in your field and if there are weeds near that wheat crop, so these weeds will release some harmful chemicals, some toxins which will reduce the growth of that wheat plant. So we came up with an innovation, a kind of a special drone which will fly over the field, and it will be very helpful in detecting the weeds in your farm. Now this particular drone helps you to identify the intensity of weeds. That means in per square feet area how many number of weeds are growing. It also helps you in telling which kind of weeds are growing. It is a kind of a small weed or some kind of creeping weed. It also tells you about the medicine which you can spray in your field to control these weeds. So this simple yet effective innovation is very helpful for the farming community, where they have to put in a lot of labor and effort in removal of the weeds. So using this innovation, this drone which can help in early and easy identification and detection of weed, can help them increasing the productivity of their crop, in getting better yields, and it would save a lot of labor of the farmers in manual reduction of the weed. They can use some tractor or some spray and they can reduce the weed right at the initial stage. So thank you so much for liking this innovation a lot.